make their business rank on Google Business Profile. There are multiple citations from experts stating that Google Business Profile has a profound impact on businesses in increasing their visibility, authority, and even revenue. After all, 97% of people look for local businesses on the internet, and that too primarily through Google search. A key statistics indicates that organic traffic on Google Business Profile nearly doubled over the last 2 years. So, if you're thinking why hasn't this rise in traffic reflected on your business site, you are not alone. My name is Gary and I am the CEO of Softtrix with over 15 plus years of experience in providing SEO solutions to 5,000 plus satisfied clients. Welcome to our channel, and in this video I'll share some of the best tips you can apply for a better ranking on Google Business Profile. The reason why your business isn't rising with GBP is either because you are using strategies that don't work in 2025 or you are using spammy practices for your business. Watch this video till the end to get a better understanding of local SEO and how to get your business listed on the first rank of every near me queries. Basics you need to do for local SEO rankings. Complete your business profile. The first thing that I'll strongly urge you to do for a better ranking on Google Business Profile is to complete your GMB profile 100%. Fill up all the details about the services you offer, the location you operate at, images, contact details, and even working hours and holidays. Make sure you do not leave your customers guessing about your business. This helps Google understand your business better and ultimately helps you rank for the right keywords and customers. Get better, more optimized reviews. Every business listed on Google Business Profile must get loads of reviews that provide feedback about your product or service. Here, getting positive feedback more often is vital, but that is just scratching the surface. The real trick lies in getting well-optimized reviews with words and targeted keywords. What you need to do is ask your customers to provide feedback with a specific keyword. To make this more concrete, imagine having a quick call or email with a satisfied client. You could say, "Hi, we are thrilled to hear you enjoyed our services. If you're comfortable, could you mention digital marketing agency in the US in your review?" It helps in showcasing what we do best. So for example, a review written with, "This is by far the best digital marketing agency in the US," will hint to Google about your business more than the plain great agency. This way, Google gets a vote of confidence for your targeted keyword and it starts recognizing you as key performers in your niche, that too specifically for the market we are targeting. NAP consistency. The third very important thing to do for a better local SEO ranking is maintaining the same name, address, and phone number for all the platforms your profile is listed on. Whether it be your website, your Facebook or LinkedIn account, or any other medium of digital marketing, your NAP details must remain consistent. Suppose your business profile has one set of contact details and our website has some other contact details. This would make Google distrust your listings. To gain that trust back, ensure you have the same contact details across all online platforms. We literally had a client who was affecting his business with such efforts. He had good rankings, but as they shifted their office premises, they updated their address on only social media platforms and not on the Google Business Profile. This difference in addresses made Google push the ranking slightly down. As we analyzed their account and understood the case, we quickly updated the address across every platform and soon the client regained their optimum rankings. These three changes are absolutely non-negotiable for getting a better local SEO ranking. Get these three things done as quickly as possible and you'll see a a better ranking in no time. Apart from these, there are some other changes you can make for a better ranking. Update your Google Business Profile frequently. This is a trick very few business owners are doing, and trust me, it has a very high impact on your ranking factor. What you need to do is open your GBP account and visit the post section. There, try to upload an image or video or any other information on a weekly basis. This sends signals to Google that you are serious about your business. Apart from posting, you can also get reviews on a regular basis to keep your profile active. In short, the more you are active on your business profile, the more Google pushes you to higher rankings. One other practice you can do is geo-tagging of your content. Now, for those who don't know about geo-tagging, this is a process of adding actual GPS coordinates of where your image, video, or content originated from. These coordinates must be in longitude and latitude references, and they do help Google better track your location. There are a lot of free tools online that can help you add GPS coordinates to your digital media. Some of the best tools to start with are GeoSetter and GPixSync. Try these and see the changes in ranking. And lastly, link all your business's social media accounts to the Google Business Profile. This will rapidly increase your trustworthiness, helping you achieve better rankings. But while doing so, remember to maintain NAP consistency. Other than these things, I would humbly suggest that you try to stay away from paid reviews, fake location listings, and paid backlinks. Google is highly critical of such practices, and oftentimes these practices only lead to the banning of your business account. And that is all from my side. I hope this video was helpful in making your business rank higher and get you better at local SEO. Let us know in the comments how many of these practices you already know and if there are any tricks we have missed. If you have liked this information, please subscribe to our channel and support our work by liking and sharing this video. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.